The number one reason why a lot of people are not doing as well as they could selling 3D models is normally two things, or a combination of those two things, as far as I can see. And that is, number one, proper analysis of a category in terms of its saturation levels, and number two, uploading to a price bracket that is too competitive. If you start doing a proper little bit of research before you upload something, take 30 minutes before every product and analyze saturation of category and competition and price bracket. You analyze those two things, pick your category and pricing bracket and pricing strategy accordingly. I can promise you, you're going to at least double your 3D sales, or I have at least in the last 2 years. Short little business tip, but the reality here is we as 3D artists think about the hobby side and the fun side, and a lot of times we treat our 3D work like a hobby. But the reality is this: if you're exchanging a product, especially a high quality product, for a price, it's now a business transaction. If you start applying basic business principles to your 3D sales, you'll find very quickly that you're going to earn or clear a lot more per month.